All right. Putting a quick release energy steering wheel on the 350Z today. Already took out the Torx bits on the side. Gonna pop off the center, disconnect that airbag. Got the center off, disconnected everything. Time to get that bolt off, pop the whole steering wheel right off. Let's get it. All right, we got that bolt loose. Left it on just at the very end, just so that when we pop it off, it's all nice and loose. So let's finish cracking that rest of the bolt off. And boom, there we go. There's your steering wheel. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Now we just got the hub. Time for the fun stuff.
Yes, sir.
All right, after a few minutes, got the first part of the hub on there, and stuff is hopefully connected properly. Time to move on to the next step and get the secondary part of the hub ready to go on, the quick release. All right, got the first part of the quick release on, and making sure our energy logo on both parts of the hub is centered straight up. Now, time to tie this thing down little by little, go on a star pattern so you don't strip anything, make sure everything's on there evenly, and move on to the next step. All right, third part is on, that quick release hub. Time for the fun part, connecting the wheel. Got that nice NOG Innovations with the L stripe. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Take a look at that. It is on there. Have it about as straight as we can get it. Got the horn connected. We'll see if that works. If not, whoop-de-doo. Who needs a horn when you got a loud car?
Exactly.
But man, it's looking real nice. Real nice. Here, let me see if I can. There we go. Disconnected. Back on. Boom. Now that's boss right there.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Now look at how gangster that is. Oh, surprise visit from Blaine. Yeah.
Damn. No way.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my horn doesn't work.
Alrighty. We're solid.
Nice.
Test drive.
Yes, sir.
Oh, we're turning. Yeah. Disconnect it while we drive. Try not. Better keep that on there.
Okay. Oh yeah, you do.
Horn does not work. The car sounds magnificent, man.
God damn.
Yeah. This is amazing, man.
Yes, sir.
This feels great.
It feel good?
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah, that's what's up.
Just on there. This ain't going
God
anywhere, man.
damn. That's what's up.
Car sounds beautiful.
Thank you, brother.
Operation Quick Release is confirmed. and done.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, crackle
Little
pop.
crackle. Yes, sir. There we go. Spin that motherfucker.
Love this car. So nice.
Yes, sir.
Sounds so good. You gotta remember your shifter's gonna be farther
Yeah.
down. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Oh. Ooh, nice. God damn.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Bum, 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 the burble.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Oh, you're chilling. A little rough on that. Well, just got done the test drive. It went amazing. Time to pop this thing off and put it up here to chill. Yeah. Look at these two fine cars right beside each other. I need to get that rod fixed. I lost my bolt. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good day's work.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it took a couple of hours. Had to watch a couple of YouTube videos. But we got what we needed to get done.
Yes, sir.
And it's looking good. Let's take another inside look. Now you can't even drive away. It's a manual and it has a disconnecting steering wheel. No one's stealing this thing.
Yep, never.
It also has a really badly installed clutch, so
Yeah.
you can't even get out of here if you wanted to.
That's right.
Ha! Now you just need bucket seats.
And that's it.
Bucket seats, and this thing is complete.
Yes, sir.